Many people believe that saving money requires a Herculean effort, a complete lifestyle overhaul, and a level of discipline that's just not attainable for most. But what if we told you that saving money is actually easier than you think? In this video, we're going to show you how to shift your mindset, make small changes that can have a big impact, automate your savings, pay yourself first, and celebrate your wins along the way. Number 1, mindset shift. Welcome to the mindset shift portion of our 30-day savings challenge, where we'll explore how changing the way you think about money can make saving money easier than you ever thought possible. First, let's take a step back and think about how we view money. For many of us, money is a source of stress, anxiety, and even shame. We worry about not having enough, we feel guilty about spending too much, and we beat ourselves up when we make financial mistakes. But what if we could shift our mindset and start seeing money as a tool for achieving our goals and living the life we want? What if we could start viewing saving money as an act of self-care and self-love, rather than a sacrifice? The key to this mindset shift is recognizing that saving money isn't about depriving yourself of the things you love. Instead, it's about making intentional choices that align with your values and priorities. One way to start shifting your mindset is by focusing on the positive aspects of saving money. Rather than thinking about what you're giving up, think about what you're gaining. You're gaining financial security, the ability to pursue your goals, and the freedom to make choices that align with your values. Another way to shift your mindset is by practicing gratitude. When you're grateful for what you have, you're less likely to feel the need to constantly buy more. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, and you may find that you're more content with what you already have. Finally, remember that changing your mindset is a process, and it won't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and don't beat yourself up if you slip up. Every small step you take towards a more positive mindset is a step in the right direction. Number 2, small changes can make a big difference. We often think that saving money requires massive sacrifices, such as giving up all of our favorite things or drastically changing our lifestyle. But the truth is, small changes can make a significant impact on our finances. And over time, those small changes can add up to big savings. Let's start by identifying a few areas where we can make small changes that will have a big impact. For example, let's say you spend $5 a day on coffee. Cutting out that daily coffee and brewing your own at home could save you $18–25 a year. That's a significant amount of money saved just by making a small change in your daily routine. Another small change that can make a big difference is reducing the amount of energy you use in your home. Turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when not in use, and adjusting your thermostat by just a few degrees can all add up to significant savings on your energy bill. When it comes to groceries, small changes like buying in bulk, meal planning, and using coupons can all help reduce your overall grocery bill. By making small changes to your grocery shopping habits, you can save hundreds of dollars each year. Finally, let's talk about our daily habits. We often overlook small habits like leaving the lights on when we leave the house or taking long showers. But those habits can add up to significant expenses over time. By making small changes to our daily habits, we can not only save money, but also reduce our impact on the environment. In conclusion, remember that small changes can make a big difference when it comes to saving money. By identifying areas where we can make small changes and sticking with them, we can achieve our financial goals without sacrificing the things we love. So let's start making those small changes and watch as they add up to big savings over time. Number 3, automating your savings. In today's world, it's easier than ever to save money without even thinking about it. Automating your savings is a simple and effective way to build your savings without having to manually transfer money each month. So, how does it work? It's simple. You set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis. This means that a predetermined amount of money will be transferred from your checking account to your savings account without any effort on your part. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend that money before it has a chance to make it to your savings account. Plus, you'll be less likely to forget to transfer money to your savings account each month, ensuring that you're consistently building your savings account each month, ensuring that you're consistently building your savings. But why stop at just one savings account? You can automate your savings for multiple goals, such as a vacation fund, a down payment on a house, or an emergency fund. By setting up automatic transfers for each goal, you'll be more likely to achieve them without feeling overwhelmed or sacrificing other financial priorities. Another way to automate your savings is through employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as a 401(k) or 403(b). These plans allow you to contribute a portion of your paycheck to your retirement account before taxes are taken out, which can provide significant tax benefits while also helping you build your retirement savings. In conclusion, automating your savings is a simple and effective way to build your savings without having to think about it. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings accounts and retirement plans, you can reach your financial goals without sacrificing your lifestyle or financial stability. So why not start automating your savings today and watch your money grow effortlessly? Number 4, paying yourself first. Paying yourself first means prioritizing your savings over all other expenses. This means that the moment you receive your paycheck, you allocate a portion of it towards your savings before paying for anything else. By doing this, you are essentially paying yourself before anyone else. Why is this important? Because it's easy to fall into the trap of prioritizing other expenses such as bills, groceries, and entertainment before our own financial goals. By paying ourselves first, we make sure that our financial goals are given the priority they deserve. Think of it this way: if you don't prioritize your savings, you may find yourself struggling to save money at the end of the month, or worse, not saving at all. But by paying yourself first, you ensure that your savings goals are taken care of before anything else. One way to pay yourself first is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This can be a fixed percentage of your paycheck or a specific dollar amount. By doing this, you'll be more likely to stick to your savings goals and avoid the temptation to spend that money on other expenses. Another way to pay yourself first is to contribute to retirement accounts, such as an IRA or a 401(k). By doing so, you are not only paying yourself first, but also taking advantage of tax benefits and investing in your future. Number 5, celebrating small wins. Saving money is not always easy, but it's important to remember that every small win is a step towards achieving your bigger goals. By celebrating these small wins, you'll not only stay motivated, but also develop a positive mindset towards your finances. Saving money can often feel like a long and arduous journey, but it's important to recognize that even the smallest efforts can add up over time. Whether it's skipping that morning latte or resisting the temptation to make an impulse purchase, every little bit counts towards your savings goals. So, how can you celebrate these small wins? It's important to recognize the progress you've made and take the time to appreciate your efforts. This can be as simple as giving yourself a pat on the back or treating yourself to a small reward. For example, if you manage to save $50 this week, treat yourself to a movie night or a relaxing bath. By doing this, you'll not only celebrate your progress, but also reinforce positive behaviors that will help you achieve your bigger goals. It's important to remember that celebrating small wins doesn't have to be expensive or extravagant. Small gestures such as writing down your achievements or sharing your progress with a friend can also be effective ways to stay motivated and positive about your finances. Moreover, by celebrating small wins, you'll create a positive feedback loop that will motivate you to continue making progress towards your savings goals. You'll begin to see that even the smallest efforts can lead to big changes over time, and this realization can be a powerful motivator. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for Day 4 of our 30-Day Savings Challenge, where we'll be exploring why saving money is easier than you think. We'll provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then.